Recording.
Well, guys, I was wanting to cool down, and it has. We have rain. It actually was really pouring earlier, and it's kind of let off. Now I'm going to try to get out here and get home, but I can see that's about the direction I'm heading. See that dark stuff over there? So we're going to try to make it home without getting too drenched. I may have to pull over because some of my stuff will get wet, like my wallet, my keys. I don't want none of that getting wet. I may miss it, I hope. I kind of cheated that light. Hopefully there wasn't no 5-0s around, but I ain't got time to be stopping. Well, there's some clearing right there. So I hope you guys are getting some rain and some cool down where you're at. In a lot of places, I know in my last video mentioned how hot it was. It's actually 71 degrees right now. I kid you not, when I left up there, I thought I seen some frost. Okay, I'm joking. I said that I'm joking because there's probably somebody that might take me serious and think, is he really that stupid? I need to get some gas too, but I really don't want to stop for it. So I got 2 bars left. I think I can wait. Don't stop, don't stop. Oh, I don't know. That over there is about where my house is, that darkest spot. And I got this Alpine Stars Honda jacket on here, and it's definitely not waterproof, so I will get soaked through it, I know that much. So if I could make it to the car wash over there, maybe. Oh boy, here we go, we gotta stop. Will I get wet? I know, I'm going Thomas Holler, and that looks about like we're... Oh man. And when it starts raining, you get behind a tracker. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain all day. We shall see. I could pass, but no passing zone. And this is not like the Africa Twin. You don't pass that fast. Yeah, it's starting to rain more now. I'm gonna have to find a place to get in under the dry and take my stuff out of my pockets. I don't want my keys for my Jeep, the key fob, I don't want that getting wet, or my wallet. Now it's gonna start pouring, is what it's gonna do. There's a place up here, this business has a canopy. It is dumping it up there, and I mean big time. Well, I don't know these people, but hopefully they won't mind me using their canopy. Hey, hey. She's dry. And like I said, I don't know these people, so I mean, I'm not like I'm hurting anything, am I? It's dumping it. I got here just in time. So I need to take out my stuff here. Oh man, I usually have a Ziploc bag in there. I don't know what I've done with it. But at least it's drier in here by far than it is out there. My keys, AirPods, my wallet, my phone is iPhone 13 Pro Max, so it should be okay. It is waterproof, but you know how that goes. Okay, so that's everything out there. I actually need to take this and maybe wipe the camera off. Clean you guys off a little bit. And this is not waterproof, but it does a pretty good job if it's not just pouring for hours on end. And we wait. But I won't actually wait too long because I don't care to get wet. I don't care to get wet on the way home. I just don't like getting wet on the way to work, because when you do that, you have to sit there all day wet until you dry. No fun. But on the way home, heck, I get home, I have towels. I have what's called dry clothes. So this is just some new lightweight gear just to ride with a little bit. It's not like protective or anything. I mean, even these gloves, they're like motocross gloves, Alpine Stars, but they're good. They're just not very heavy or anything like that. And same with the jacket. You can see it in there. It says Honda on here, Honda on the back. It's actually really nice. It works good when it's hot because the air flows through it real good, but it's stupid expensive too. They got a trash bag over the window, but howdy. But I believe the trash bag is going to leak. Means I can see inside the car right there. Waiting out the rain? Yeah. I seen this place and I thought, this is going to work. It's probably not going to stop. Oh, now it's coming harder. I can hear it. I hear music somewhere. Hopefully they don't demonetize me. That's so stupid. I mean, I'm not playing the music. If it's some music playing somewhere, what does it have to do with me? That it's on my channel. Sometimes I've done that one time at a Supercross, and they decided, well, these people get the money because you can't monetize it, and I just took it off. I'm not going to let nobody get the money on a video I made. I wasn't playing the music. Which means my shoes are going to get wet. I got these Merrell shoes here, Chameleons, but these are the waterproof version, so they're nice. And they are waterproof. Yeah, if I would have rode on, I would have been drenched, and I probably will be anyway, because a lot of times like this, if it ain't going to stop, I've got to go. I mean, I can't just sit here all day. I'll just take off and go anyway. See what happens. All dry. Well, I think we're gonna go. I mean, I'm just not gonna sit here. When I looked at the radar just a little bit ago, it's gonna last a long time. Boys, we're gonna get wet. It's probably gonna feel cold. Ooh. Shut that shield down. Here we go. And it is pouring. And this jacket, I wasn't kidding you. I mean, I just feel every drop going through it just like it's bare skin. Not the stinging sensation, but the wet. I mean, it's cold actually. And you can feel every drop just going straight in. So the jacket is absolutely doing nothing. Nothing. Brr. That is some cold rain. Maybe just because it's been so warm it feels that cold. Well, I was going to go make a ride video on the way home, like some back roads, dirt roads and stuff. Not the woods right now because the woods are so much spider webs and stuff, it's crazy. I mean, you just eat spiders. But just some dirt roads, but I guess not today. This video would be sufficient for now. Maybe this weekend I'll get a chance to take a ride. Tomorrow it'll rain all day. And I don't mind the rain, even making a rain video, but as long as you guys can see. So let me know, what do you think about the rain video and the rain hitting the camera? And how you can see, of course I'll see when I get home how miserable it looks, but I know it's not going to be just wonderful, but it is dumping it. And I'm getting cold. These roads are real bad about having big water spots across the road. You got to really watch. I've never actually had a problem with one of those on a DUALSPORT. I have on a street bike before with those tires that are on a street bike, but the knobbies seem to help a lot. You got a little bit of clearance and it helps, but as far as, ooh, yeah. Wait a minute, now the water is getting into places where it don't need to be. That's getting cold. I think we'll go the back way now. Be a little bit slower pace anyway. Yeah, I'm soaked. Totally soaked. I don't know if I can get any more soaked than what I am right now. Pants soaked. The only thing dry is maybe my feet with these shoes. I don't feel no water in there. But my pants, my shirt, jacket, all that is soaked. Well, top of my head's probably dry. Do this helmet. I guess I ought to shut that vent. Don't let no water in the mouthpiece. It's still raining pretty good. It's not pouring as hard as it was back there. Turn off that blinker. That garage at home is going to be pretty nice. Get in that, dude. And I know that I have a company sending me another one of those portable refrigerators. And I seen on my camera today that FedEx dropped it off. And I'm pretty sure it's just a cardboard box. So I'm sure that is soaking wet. That was about noon and it rained already big time. And now it's raining big time again. So the good thing about something like that, I would think they've been in the cardboard box. Probably wouldn't go all the way through the cardboard too much, and then have a bag around it anyway. And foam probably, so it should be good. Well, that's what I was saying about the rain. Give me some. Give me some rain. So, I got it. Oh my. To carry this box up there and this junk up there. Junk mail. Junk mail 101 right here. Hey, but look at the green. We actually have some green grass, and there's that mini fridge I was talking about. So yeah. Oh, okay, cool. Mostly it's actually layered in plastic. So yeah, it didn't get wet hardly at all. The box is just a little bit wet, and it's kind of under the eave of the house. Sweet. Actually, I don't even think it rained here much. Near as much, because that hill, that's not wet. It's not wet hardly at all. Okay, guys, click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, check out my Amazon store. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Check back for more videos. Catch you on the next one. Right on.